Welcome to the Ranks Production Mukbang from the recipe, guys. As you can look right here, guys, this is what I'm going to eat right now, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna get down into business. This is my fish with my pot gratin with champignon and fromage champignon cream with some cheese, and my fried fish brown stew down. My brown stew fish. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get into business, and I also having a drink of red wine also, guys. Okay, thank you so much. I will just taste my wine right away. This wine is coming straight out of California. You know I'm living in Europe, guys, and I drink a lot of Italian wines, Spanish wines, French wine, and Swiss wine. So today I will be just drinking some wine from straight over in the United States called California. Okay, so this is some California red wine. So okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll get into business, guys. Okay. Got my good pot de gratin with some champagne. With some nice vegetable citron. Some citron inside. So guys, I will be getting down to some serious business with this food right here. Yes, guys, so the fish is yummy and nice. This is a cod. Very, very nice fish. So, got the fish, guys. So good. It's really yummy. I tell you guys, cream champignon, little pot gratin, put it in the oven, guys. So nice. Very spicy. With some pepper, guys. Scotch bonnet pepper. So good. I'll say happy Easter to you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the Easter holidays. Guys, I tell you, the food is so nice. Food is so nice, guys. For real, guys, I tell you. Remember, guys, when eating fish, go easy and slowly, guys, with the bones. So nice. Getting down to business, guys. Wow. Happy Easter, guys. Cheers. Something. Happy Easter. The food so nice, guys. Keep me groaning. I tell you. In my gratin, I use the champignon de Paris. Champignon of Paris. This fish is coming from the Mediterranean Sea. So yummy, guys. So yummy. Hello. So yummy. Before also when I was steaming down the fish, you know what I mean, I put a lot of citron also. So taste the citron. Yes, guys, look at the size of the fish. You can see the size of the fish. Very, very nice. So nice, guys. Wow. Look at it, guys. You nice piece of fish. Very careful with the bones. Look at it, guys, so beautiful. I grabbed on the pot with my champignon cream cheese. So good, guys. Yes, guys. Yum. There we go. It is so yummy. Good. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for the support that you give me always. Showing some love to my channel always, guys. Really appreciate that, man. Mm. Yes, guys, I bubble. Me a bubble and me not seek no trouble. Just a bubble down in my food. And get down in my food, you know. Seek no trouble. Food nice. Tell you, food nice. Very nice. Get down on the fish head, no? Love the fish head. You have to take care of your gun, guys. You have to be careful with it. Like guys, it's hot with the pepper too, you know? Very hot with the pepper. Yes, guys, you know, sometimes I have chatting on the real Jamaican chat, you know, and the real slang, you know. Some people say they don't eat fish head, but I tell them I love the fish head. Some people say they can't buy the fish head, but I love the fish head. I have to be patient to eat it, you know. Look guys, I'm doing well. It's finished, huh? In Jamaica, say we no ramp with food. We no ramp with food. Love the fish, guys. What's up in blue for that? Love it. It's a food that keep your finger licking, look. It's a licking. It's a food that keep your finger licking. It's a fish, huh? Thank you so much guys for watching this video, watching my mukbang from my recipe. So yummy guys. Hope you will try it guys. And you know fish you can make in many different ways. You can fry it, you can steam it, you can roast it. With fish, there are so many ways to make it guys, you know what I mean? In every way it's nice, I tell you. And on the seaside, all those fishermen come in. As I'm eating the fish here guys, big up Jason. He's a fisherman in America. Very cool guys. Very cool guys. So big up to Jason, you know what I mean? If Jason watching this video, big up to you Jason, you know? This guy every day is on the sea there catching fish and just helping out people all over, you know what I mean? Bringing fish for them. He's always coming to my live stream, Jason. I don't remember Jason's last name there. But it's Jason. So Jason, when you're watching this video, Jason, big up to Jason, you know what I mean? Big up to each and every one. Big up especially Jason, man, the fisher, man. I love fish so much. Yes guys, the plate is finished. It's all gone. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you will like and subscribe to my channel and share this video guys. And just leave me a comments and tell me what more you want me to do guys, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Happy Easter guys. And big up all the fishermen there out there in the sea catching the fish. Big them up, it's not an easy road, man. So thank you so much for watching Ranks Production to the world every time. Okay guys, so see you soon with my next recipe and my next mukbang from my next recipe also. So blessed love.